Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm excited to team up with Sofatica to showcase their three-seater L sectional complete with an ottoman which has hidden storage. It comes in four colors, black, gray, beige, and white, and I chose the color beige, which I absolutely adore. It fits smoothly in my living room, and as you can see, it can be arranged in multiple configurations. I'll begin by showing you how it was originally purchased as an L-shaped sofa. Here it is as a love seat and side chair. Here it is paired with the ottoman, and here it is arranged as a chase. And of course, thanks to its modular design, you can choose which side you prefer for your ottoman. The pillow covers and fabric are removable and machine washable, making them ideal for high traffic sitting areas and pets. This sofa is specially treated to prevent mold growth, ensuring a healthy and hygienic environment for your home. It's engineered to resist peeling, so it maintains a polished and fresh appearance over time. Sofatica offers free shipping across the continental US with an estimated delivery time of just 2 to 6 days. While the furniture does require assembly, the process is straightforward and pretty simple. Let's unbox and assemble the ottoman just for demonstration. And everything is included in each box per modular piece to ensure assembly is straightforward. It even includes a picture link to watch a short form video per box if needed. And this ottoman has a hidden storage which blends practical and elegance. It's perfect for hiding or storing some extra pillows and even a couple of throw blankets in it as well. So let's go ahead and assemble the ottoman. As you can see, all I'm doing is screwing on the legs. We're going to put on all four legs, attaching the fabric to the ottoman. And of course, once we put the pillow on top of the ottoman, we're good to go. And Sofatica does offer 365-day hassle-free returns plus a 10-year manufacturer warranty. We'll come back to the sofa in just a minute, but for now, let's clean the floors. We've removed the furniture and we're going to put it back in place as well as decorate the space. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I'm just going to add this oversized large art. I purchased it last month from Wayfair and I actually purchased it to go in this room. I just had it in my kitchen area until I was ready to hang it in this area. I have been using oversized art in my home for years, and this is a great way to make a statement as well as make your space feel less cluttered. Go with a large size art piece and you'll definitely make a statement as well as fill up a large space. There are some design rules when it comes to hanging art above your sofa. Anything from how many inches above the sofa to proportion according to the size of your sofa. But sometimes you need to break those rules to accomplish your goal, and it works. So don't let the design rules stop you from achieving your goal. And now I'm just adding my Z Gallery sconces as well as some battery operated candles and of course some lamp shades that I purchased from Amazon. I do have links to those. And you can also buy these battery operated sconces. And I like these because I already had them, and this is a great way to cut costs and achieve the same look that you were going for. Just get you some battery operated candles as well as some lampshades. Now that we're done cleaning and vacuuming the floors, let's go ahead and move the modular sofa set back into the space. And I do admit it is pretty heavy, but it's not as heavy as moving a full sofa. So being able to move it in pieces really does help, but yet and still, it's still pretty heavy. Let's go ahead and add the pillow cushions to the sofa. Each arm did come with an additional pillow, and I believe they created that to kind of stop you from laying and sitting on the arm of the sofa. So I'll add those to the sofa later, but for now, let's go ahead and decorate the space. I'll check back with you all in a minute. All right, so this is how my living room is looking right now. I do have a table that's going to replace the gold and glass one. It should be here soon, probably in a month. It's on back order. But let's get up close to the sofa so you can see the fabric and the material really close up. This is a really nice color choice. I absolutely love the fabric. And it's not too light, it's not too dark, it's like right in between. So it's really one of those fabrics that's not going to make stains and discolorations pop out too much. And let's go ahead and look at the storage that's in the ottoman. It's a lot of space, and this is a little bit over 40-inch ottoman. Absolutely love the way this space turned out, and we are going to come back in the space and add the chairs as well as the table that I'm waiting on. But we're going to do a few more things to the space in the next video along with the dining room. All right, everyone, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you, Sofatica, for sponsoring today's video and gifting us this modular 3-seater L-shaped sofa. I'll leave the link to it in the description for anyone who's interested. And I also may have a coupon code for it as well. So thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.